Why?
Because the doctor was listed before my lord, but subsequently that was on that day, the student reached and urgent sounded. In spite of my memo, case has been.
You will see. Please mention the urgency. Then only your matter will be taken up.
Yes, that has been the context of the.
Please mention in your mention slip the urgency. Give the slip.
I make pardon to make a mention that during pendency of the writ application, fresh tender has been issued and date of last submission bid is fixed to 23rd.
Give your slip.
Reasons,
because the memo we checked.
may I make a mention, Your Lordship. It's a 2023 matter. The matter is directed to disturbance 24 it was fixed, but the matter was not on that day. It was not on the board.
Give your slip.
You know.
That was an item number 1.
Yes.
Your Lordship, that ITI matter which Your Lordship has kept specifically today, that they have, not disallowed at least 29 institutions not to participate in the admission process, and the last moment, without any reason. So,
Your Lordship, we received the instructions to that effect, Your Lordship.
You have given the
filed a
document
detailed
only.
affidavit within a week, Your Lordship. And the deadline for the admissions is 31st. Last date is 31st of August, Your Lordship.
doesn't solve.
But we will extend it on
Yes. Your Lordship's
come next Thursday, Your Lordship.
no, that delays the matter because you are saying that there is some defect.
Yes, Your Lordship. They were asked to remove those defects by 9/7, Your Lordship.
No, you're not pointing out those defects.
Yes,
I
few institutes have been allowed.
File an affidavit
Lordships.
by
Monday,
Tuesday you-
Tuesday.
by Tuesday.
Tuesday, Tuesday.
Your Lordship, if you make it up,
We can send that one copy of the affidavit.
Let her file an affidavit by Tuesday. It will come on Wednesday as the
Lordships.
Lordship,
Yes.
Thursday, if I may request on Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, Your
It will
Lordship.
come on Thursday.
Thursday.
Please serve a copy.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
And it's sort of advanced copy matters. Your Lordship.
No, first case.
First.
Learned AGA presenting the state opposite parties seeks adjournment to file an affidavit. Affidavit by Thursday. So, considering the urgency of the matter, let it be listed on Thursday within first 5 cases. It is expected that before filing of the counter affidavit, learned AGA shall serve a copy thereof on learned counsel for the petitioner.
If you
Yes.
could have a copy of whatever you forwarded to the court.
Have you implemented the DGT?
Your Lordship, a correction of the cost title needs to be effected by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Director of Technical Education is there.
DGT.
Director of
Director of Technical Education is
No, some
concerned.
DGT
Director
guidelines.
Director General of Training, New Delhi, Your Lordship, Union of India.
That's because of the guide. They are not.
They are the principal,
31st.
They have extended.
They have it 31st. Center, state government has it till 15th, till 17th.
Your Lordship, they should
submitting
indicate the
it-
Director General of Training, New Delhi as a party, because it is in accordance to their norms that the inspection has been done. They are party to the inspection, Your Lordship, and they control the portal, Your Lordship.
Yes,
They have decided not to implement. We will see
Yes, sir.
the consequence of that.
Lordships.
And the cost title needs to be corrected, Your Lordship.
Right.
Is that their option?
There.
If they don't want to, they will suffer.
Yeah, because the whole thing is if your Lordship sees all the impugned order, all the communications and the
When did
inspection
you file?
depends with them.
When did you file your writ petition?
Your Lordship, the last order that we received,
When did you file the writ petition?
12th, your Lordships,
And what is the date today? Today is 16th.
16th, your Lordship.
Your matter has been taken up.
No, absolutely, your Lordships. Your Lordships have been very kind and gracious, your Lordships. Your Lordships, can I just make a formal correction? There's been
Wait.
the petitioner actually should have been state private. The private word should come before the state. If you make a correction in the hard copy. It's written state ITI private. It should be state private ITI.
All right, we will see later.
Lunches.
Loss. I filed that objection on 14th itself. Loss may take into that consideration.
Who is for the petitioner?
Nobody, last time also, not in all the data, nobody appeared.
We will allow him to go. There for 9 years probably.
Yes, 2015 they are in custody. That's why also wanted formally to file that 389 objection. I filed it. No.
So say in
Any substantial objection?
The only question is his husband, wife has died. That is the only now.
And it's very substantial evidence.
Yes.
since custody since
2015 minutes. So they have not given the date, but the FIR was registered on.
petition has been filed, so after having convicted of the offense,
IA 69.
January 2015, they are in custody. He is in custody. Others have been released on the lady. He is in custody.
the appellant only one appellant. How many appellants?
It's 20th January 2015. In
There are three, but two have already been released on bail earlier.
Which is this appellant? This appellant is which appellant? Appellant number 3 or
One will also.
Is one.
appellant
One husband.
has been in continuously since 21/2015. Full stop. Considering the nature of pendency of criminal appeals in this court, there is no likelihood of this appeal being taken up in near future for final hearing. Full stop. On the ground of long incarceration of appellant number 1. On the sole ground, we are inclined to direct for suspension of the sentence and his release on bail. Also, it is noted that you have filed objection.
I filed around 14th itself. No.
An objection has been filed on behalf of the state in terms of to section 389 bracketed 1 of the CRPC to the application seeking suspension of sentence and the appellant release on bail during the pendency of the appeal. So, however, considering long incarceration, the IA number so and so is allowed.
Number 2 and 3 were released on bail on 10/3/2021 in IA number 186 of 2021. By this court. In para
It is noted. We can.
6 of the IA. Appellant number 2 and 3 were earlier released on bail.
Noted that the co-convicts appellants number 1 and 2, 2 and 3 have already been released on bail during the pendency of the appeal upon suspension of sentence
Order dated 10/3
by an order dated
2021.
10/3/2021.
Item number 2.
Item number 2, I'm appearing in 5/33 of 2020. Is the husband. And he is inside custody more than 11 years.
11 years.
Yes, 2013 they are in custody. First appeal is with respect of the in-laws, and the second appeal is that is not 533 husband in-laws. They are in custody since date of arrest.
All of them.
No. They second appeal they were in-laws. They were convicted for 1 year. They have been given them bail. Here, Chakra,
Even there.
7 Chandra Swami was husband.
उससे भी लिखता है custody since
8/1/2013.
8/1/2013 continuous. Object despite opportunity granted to file objection in terms of
In Annex 2, my lord. 1, my lord, page 9. Item number 64, double petition number of 3 to 25, my lord.
So who is for the other side?
Other side is, my lord, is there, my lord.
Query for the management.
So management, we are restoring the,
There's a delay of 179 days.
forget, 79 days.
He has filed Vakalatama.
That there is delay of 179 days in making this application for restoration of the writ petition. So be that as it may, considering the facts and circumstances in the interest of justice, this application is allowed. Let WPC number so and so be restored to its original title.
My name may be reflected in the facts.
Name of Mr. What is your name?
Arun Kumar Naik.
Arun Kumar Nayak be reflected as the counsel for the petitioner in WPC number so and so, whenever that matter is listed.
Mine may also be reflected in the reputation because other council to appeal.
Name of so and so be reflected in.
You are appearing for opposite party number 1.
One, yeah.
Mrs. Patnaik.
Yes.
Please. Which type? I am retired in the meantime since 2021. My increment, my RSP, my areas granted are dispersed to me. As a last chance, in the fourth round of litigation, this honorable court.
You make a mention after 2 weeks.
My lord.
All right. And give this slip to Mr. Samantra.
My-
Give it. Is the state government?
Yes.
Give him.
Madam, I am giving madam.
And then make a mention after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
If in the meanwhile the order is complied with this, all right.
They will not do my last 3 years, they have not done.
All right, they'll do it this time.
Madam, I pardon to mention 2 content matters. This honorable court has directed to dispose of the representation. I am for the contender. I have already filed High Court. In the meantime, I have filed dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner. So it will dispose of next week.
Let the petitioner make this prayer.
Madam, I may pardon.
Where is the petitioner?
No, I prayed this matter taken in next week, out of term.
It has been disposed, the representation has been disposed of.
Yes, madam.
Then what contempt?
Madam, I prayed 2 contempts as filed by the petitioner. I prayed this matter will taken up next week.
Why? If the matter has been complied with, then why?
Because my friend is interested in his fees.
It will be direct. If you,
It can be disposed of, that's it.
yes, we dispose it of
Madam,
and drop.
madam, I may pardon in the absence that can. In the absence.
You will get your fees.
Item number 1. Item number 1. I filed a compliance affidavit, we have complied with the order.
No, no,
I have not
please.
received this.
The order is complied since 2017.
No.
Even then, once he has filed this control, I filed a detailed compliance affidavit, you'll also look at page, but 8/8/2020, I can give a copy to my friend. On 8th August, I filed a compliance affidavit where I have stated specifically, because the original order has been complied since 2007. Thereafter, this complaint was contempt has been again 5 years.
Where is the order?
You can also look at the order.
Madam.
What is the order?
That to allow the different annual salaries.
Hmm?
The patient of.
Where is the order?
Madam, running page, Minister 1, operating partner, running page 14-15, madam. This is last line. According to this, application disposed of, with the direction to the operating partner to take a payment of salary to the members of staff of Jagatpur High School within 2 months from the date of the
So they have taken,
That's not comparable.
they have taken steps.
What was rejected is claimed he is not entitled, and that is why this order was disposed of. We'll also look at order dated 28/2/2017. This contempt was dropped. The contempt application which he had filed was bearing number 2020/2007. 2020/2007.
2020 of 2007. And when was the order passed?
The order was passed. Was
No, when was the order of this court passed?
Your six, original order is, your lordship,
7/3.
7/3.
7/3.
7/3, 2007, your lordship.
And when was the claim rejected?
His claim was rejected by the order dated 6/9/2012, your lordship.
6/9/2012.
Yes, your lordship.
So what after?
Sorry, your lordship, it was 15/11/2014. I may be corrected, your lordship. This was corrected. It was 15/11/2014,
His claim was rejected.
rejected and copy was also given, your lordship.
Then
This is the order of your
just
lordship.
a minute, just please wait. Yes,
So that is why your lordship said, please to drop the contempt, your lordship. And again, he has filed a
no, when was the contempt drop?
drop was on 28th February 2017, your lordship.
25,
28.
28th. 28 to 2000
Yes, your 28th of February 2017, contempt was dropped, your lordship.
contempt was dropped. Now he is alleging violation of the same order.
Yes,
Whether he has mentioned that the earlier contempt petition was dropped.
yes, but he had given the number, your lordship, in his petition. He has given in paragraph 3, he mentioned it.
Where?
Paragraph 3 of his petition, your lordship. He has mentioned the same, but in the prayer, he has prayed for the same, your lordship.
No, this is different. See, this is 6/9/2012. He refers to 6/9/2012 order passed in contempt case. Thereafter, you rejected him on 15/11/2014.
No, sir. I think your lordship may come to page 7 of that similar contempt petition prayer portion, your lordship.
No, forget prayer portion.
But he has prayed for same writ application. The original writ application.
Oh, see, come to this order. Annexure 2.
No. Yes, sir.
In view of submission made, and this is the background in which you passed this order. 15/11/2014.
Yes.
Okay, you have passed an order that has
Passed
been
an order.
indicated. Yes, you can challenge that.
My lord, the honorable court's order took that to allow my defense lawyer said there is no end dispute, there is no end dispute matter. So how they rejected my claim, that means they rejected the honorable court's order. Honorable court's order is directed to pay my salary.
No,
How they will be rejected? Clear, my lord, running by 14, 13/14. Is it clear order? How they claim to reject my claim? There is no question of reject my claim. I am entitled to my defense according to the honorable High Court's order.
but there is no direction. There is no direction for payment. The direction is just to take.
It's not to the nine record, 13/14, my lord. After going through all the amendment and after notice, after the result of date, you are also according, this petition is disposed of.
Yeah, the school.
License to the opposite party to immediate to step for payment of salary to the members of the staff of the high school within a period of 2 months. This is not repeating disposal.
You can challenge, you could have challenged that order. You could have challenged 2014 order.
That is a clear order.
What is the clear order? There is no clear order.
Clear order is there.
No. No clear order.
That regarding payment order is very clear.
Payment, no payment order.
According to this petition, is disposed of with a direction to the opposite parties to take immediate step for payment of salary to the members of the staff of the high school within a period of 2 months.
Yes.
They can check the order.
Yes,
This is
they have rejected.
There is no.
And in 2014, that order was passed.
My lord.
You could have challenged that. Have you challenged? Have you challenged that order?
That means that is a clear violation of this order, my lord.
The,
How did it?
the petitioner has alleged
Liberty to claim that may be considered.
As against disobedience of-
Say that.
disobedience of this court's order dated 7/3/2007, passed in OJC number 12555 of 1997. Operative portion of which reads as under. For two paragraphs. Operative 3 paragraphs. Subject copy or only 2 paragraphs. So, the petitioner had earlier filed a contempt application which gave rise to CONTC number 2020 of 2022, which was disposed of by an order dated 6/9/2012, granting the contemners further time to comply with the orders. So, next, the compliance affidavit has been filed, wherein, filed on behalf of the contemners, wherein it has been mentioned that the petitioner's claim was rejected by an order dated 15/11/2012, which was communicated to him. So, next, then counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has submitted that a rejection of the petitioner's claim amounts to disobedience of, in as much as this court had held the petitioner's entitlement to salary. So stop. Next. However, on careful perusal of the impugned order, I am of the view that there is no direction issued to the opposite parties to make payment of the salary. Rather, the direction is for taking steps for payment of salary. So, since the opposite parties, after having considered the petitioner's claim, petitioner's case, have rejected the claim by an order, in my opinion, no case of intentional disobedience of this court's order is made out. So, it is an admitted fact that the petitioner has not challenged the order of rejection dated 15/11/2014. So, in such view of the matter, the present contempt application is dropped, contempt proceeding is dropped with an observation that the petitioner shall be at liberty to question the correctness of the order dated 15/11/2014 before appropriate forum, including by filing a writ application.
Submission manner. After what go through your total order of the High Court's order. Totally exercise has been taken, and decision taken at this last stage. So after hearing both the parties, they should allow my salary. So state means that step should be taken for payment of my salary. The order that should reject my claim, that reject of the other court's order.
You could have, see, there are two things. You could have brought that in the contempt proceeding of 2014, which was communicated to you. You had not brought that order on the court. And secondly, the moment you received that order, the order may be correct. What order can this court pass in a contempt proceeding? It can punish, but it cannot pass that order in the writ proceeding, 15/11/2014. So you could have challenged that.
Plus,
And you should challenge.
one thing was, while disposing the earlier contempt, Liberty was also granted him to challenge that order, same order. He did not avail that. And after the 7 years, he has filed this contempt, which is barred by limitation. If you also look at
Contempt is not barred by this contempt was filed in 2014.
because by then the contempt was dropped, earlier contempt was, and he was given liberty to challenge this sort of.
Given liberty to consider my case. You said given liberty to consider my case.
All right.
To time to the by the opposite party.
All right,
Item number 2.
yes.
So item number 2 also we have complied with the physical compliance affidavit.
So you are not given any affidavit to me?
I will look at. Yes, sir. I'm going to side.
I am talking to him.
I don't know.
I'm sorry, madam. He said that he has given compliance affidavit, not
You
just.
can tell me that
Yes.
his statement is incorrect.
I'm sorry.
So what do you want?
Because in fact, the compliance affidavit is filed directing to allow the petitioner to join from the date not since 1995 with the retrospective date.
All right, have you given a copy?
No, I don't have
Copy.
senior. Because I can give a copy right now.
Counsel representing the
Mhm.
contemners submits that the court's order has been complied with. Court's order violation of which has been erased in the present contempt application has been complied with. Stop. He intends to file, he have filed.
Yes.
You have filed compliance.
Compliance affidavit is filed since long.
Compliance affidavit has been filed,
8th of August.
copy of which has been served on learned counsel for the petitioner today in the court.
Today in the court.
As requested by learned senior counsel representing the petitioner, list this matter on next week. Yes. Personal appearance, who are the persons?
Opinion number 2 and opinion number 3.
Personal attendance of stands suspense for the present.
After this complied balance, he came and attended a class.
All right.
Those I'll explain that.
Those have been superannuated.
I'll explain that. Nothing. With that given an affidavit, I will explain that. Next week.
Item number 3.
We talk with the class, then we move that. I'll explain.
Yes. Not complied with.
He says not one compliance affidavit has been filed, but copy has not.
Give him a copy.
Yes, ma'am. In that case, direction was for disposal of the representation.
Representation has been disposed of.
Representation was disposed of in 2019. Actually, kindly call.
That's one thing in this case.
We'll give you liberty.
Actually, kindly call this matter. I will go through it next week.
No, the direction was disposal of representation. The disposal of representation order is there. So you can challenge that. I'll give you liberty. Why unnecessarily we should keep these matters pending? The direction of this court, violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application, has been complied with, as the petitioner's representation, which was directed to be disposed of, has been disposed of by an audited
29/11/2019.
29/11/2019. Most often such view of the matter, the contempt proceeding is dropped with a liberty to the petitioner to question the correctness of the said order before appropriate forum/authority.
In this case, the lordship has last occasion directed for personal appearance.
Personal attendance.
Directed to one responsible officer.
One officer, you can sit there.
Yes,
You are not required to keep standing. You just sit there somewhere.
And we propose one thing, Lord. On Friday, instead of one officer being there, along with him, we will call all the assistant director of different departments so that they can be present.
No, he can coordinate with all the departments.
Yes.
He will coordinate with one officer has been deputed by the government.
Yes.
Now he will coordinate with all the departments. So he will do that. If required, he will take them to task.
Well, one more request for the Lordship, that the Lordship can you please to make that on 2 occasions, we give the Lordship cases to be listed on file earlier, so that we can give the list to the, so no
That will be
doubt,
done.
he can collect all the compliances.
That will be done.
By Tuesday, if we get it, not Friday, you can come.
By Monday you will get.
Yes, sir.
So this time Tuesday.
Let's in those that matters, not item 3. So far as contempt, one compliance affidavit has been filed by the learned senior in first case.
Each case,
So far in the second case, contempt 2479 of 2012. I think not orders.
I'm serving in each case, I'm serving to.
Copies. Because in SLP was withdrawn, dismissed, else also. Thereafter, a review was filed and review was also dismissed 20 of 12.
My direction was for disposal of the reprender, sir. In the meantime, that reprender has been disposed of.
Give him copies.
No need. How to do? Item note 4.
So item number 4, the record of right has already been published in us, and order been confident with possible whether is present in us. I can give a copy of the record of right to my friend also. How much?
Are you petitioner in person?
Yes, Lord.
He is saying it has been complied with. All right, as requested on by the petitioner in person. All right. It is stated by counsel for the contemptors that this court's order has been complied with. Mr. So and so, petitioner in person seeks adjournment. Does this matter on next Friday? Yes.
Postural appearance of Tahsildar, madam may be.
Item 5.
So item 5, we have complied with what you thought of. By not appointing him subject to regard of the so SLP not that is.
Complied with
Presence of
Preserve both.
compliant with counsel for the petitioner admits that this court's order violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application has been complied with subject to outcome of the case pending before the Supreme Court.
Pending before the Supreme Court.
Do you have the SLP number?
You have the highly compliance affidavit.
SLP number do you have?
SLP number also.
Subject to final outcome of SLP number so and so. First of the contempt.
See diary number 3253 of 2024. That is annex of C to my compliance affidavit.
The contempt proceeding stands drop attendance of the of so and so stands dispensed with. Yes.
Personal appearance for both the contempt, would be 2 months.
Also all.
Number 6.
The compliance affidavit has already been filed, and as stated that the order has been complied with because of this.
Complied with
2024.
I am obliged to my authority. They have already given me the appointment retrospectively from
very
2017.
good.
But in that government order, one thing is lacking. They have not indicated the in respect of consequence benefit. Only that much what's a kindly observe and dispose of.
The order of this court violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application has admittedly been complied with. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has submitted that the compliance does not indicate consequential benefits which the petitioner is entitled to.
Retrospectively from 2017.
Entitled to. So stop. The petitioner shall be at liberty to approach appropriate forum, authority slash forum slash court to for redressal of his grievances in that regard.
Consequential.
In that regard, consequential mention, I mentioned.
Consequence.
Consequential, I have mentioned.
Oh, brother.
You have grievance regarding consequential.
If you will kindly observe that the authority will consider, then my lord, I will be obliged.
There is no question. We have limited jurisdiction, Mr.
Item
There
7.
any liberty
Brother.
The court has given you liberty.
Your Lordships, may I
First.
just present the case, then your Lordships may decide if the personal appearance should be dispensed with. Your Lord, this is a matter of
Which case?
7.
The item 6 and 6.
Item 6,
Okay, okay.
items. A dispense.
Can call the next one.
Hmm?
Can call the next one. Item number 7.
I have given enough indication in the order.
I may pardon my lord.
Your Lordships, item 7, your Lordships.
Before your lordship takes item 7, in item 3, your lordship batch of matter, in one matter so that compliance affidavit is not there, that can be listed and it can be listed next week so that I can
Second matter, contempt
Second.
479 of
prove for 7-9. That compliance affidavit is not presently with me, so that can.
7, item number 7,
Item number 4,
second item.
item number 3, second item.
second item.
All other matters, compliance affidavit has been filed. Proof for 7-9.
Next week. That will come next week.
Your Lordships, this is a matter where a particular application was filed before the Assistant Settlement
No,
Officer.
where is the order?
Your Lordship, no, your Lordships. And as it was, as it did not carry out, so we came to the court and then we did so. But the Tehsildar did not carry it out. Made the
Where is the order? Let me see.
Yes, your Lordships. After the Tehsildar's
Madam, where is the order of this court? Which
that's
has been violated? It
Annex 4, your Lordships. This is the last order.
Oh, no, Annex 4 is, where is the order of this court?
4, page 25. No, quota for quota, which is listed first. Your Lordships may see 3, Annex 3, page 23. May I just place para 2 of the order?
I have not been able to understand. See, the court says that your prayer was innocuous. So what is the meaning of innocuous?
Yeah.
You are alleging disobedience of this order, 4/8/2023.
Lordships.
Now the court says that your prayer is innocuous.
But then it has made, observe, gives a.
Your prayer
Lordships, just look at the direction portion.
Yes.
Keeping in view the Annex prayer, how this court, though disposing of the writ petition, observes that provided that the directions at page 23, that is the direction of the ASO to the Tehsildar, of the brief remain unaltered, the same should be worked out by bringing the fresh record of right. Your Lordship, that's why I wanted to say that, Your Lordships, first, the ASO did not take up an application, we came to the court. And then the court directed, please take up the application. It decided in our favor that the Tehsildar did not carry out the directions of the ASO. We again came to the court, and that's where this order was passed.
No, but see, we have to confine ourselves to the order which has been passed.
Yes, Your Lordships, but it did observe that provided that the directions at page 23 of the brief remain unaltered, that is the direction of the ASO to the Tehsildar, the same should be worked out by bringing up a fresh record of it. That's what was our prayer. That our record of right is to be corrected. If this much is carried out,
Let us see.
No, against the order of the ASO, now the state is before them, was appealed before the Board of Revenue under section 32, which is a statutory remedy. So I intimated that to also not, so there is no violence.
if we are filing of the appeal, does not
No,
state
yes,
order.
yes, this is what the court says, that this, provided the direction at page 3 remains unaltered.
Yes, that's remain unaltered.
No, that is pending.
No. They have only filed an appeal, but they have not procured a stay. Neither have moved anything, Your Lordship.
That is immaterial. The
And this this appeal has been filed only after Your Lordships issued the direction for personal appearance.
all that. And this, the petitioner has alleged disobedience of this court's order dated 4/8/2023, passed in WPC number 24179 of 2023. The relevant portion of which reads thus. Whoa. Keeping in view, paragraph 2, keeping in view. Yeah, paragraph. Paragraph. Next, when counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has, the senior counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has argued that the direction as indicated in the court's order has remained unaltered. And despite that, the contemners have not worked out for bringing fresh records of rights. So, next, when counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. AG, Mr. So-and-so, learned AGA, representing the contemners has submitted that an appeal has, statutory appeal has been preferred against the said order. What is that?
Yes, sir, that's an appeal order number 558 of 2020.
No, against which order?
Order of the ASO.
Against the order of Assistant Settlement Officer. And therefore, Assistant Settlement Officer, which is pending. And therefore, he contends no case of deliberate disobedience of this court's order is made till the appeal is disposed of by who is the appellate authority?
The member board of revenue.
By the member board of review. Full stop. Then senior counsel, in response, has submitted that the fact remains that the order passed by the ASO has remained unaltered in as much as a stay has been granted by the member board of revenue, and therefore a case of deliberate disobedience of this court's order is made out. Stop. Next. Heard learned counsel, senior counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner and learned AGA representing the contemners. I am of the view that this court's order dated 4/8/2023 was conditional in nature, subject to the fact that the order passed by the ASO remained unaltered. Stop. The opposite parties have challenged the said order by filing an appeal. In such circumstance, in the court's opinion, no case of deliberate disobedience of this court's order is made out. Stop. Next, it is however observed that what is the case number?
Yes, appeal number. Appeal number in first case, it is 558 of 2020.
It is however observed that it for the petitioner to approach the member board of revenue for early disposal of the appeal, as pendency of the said appeal is affecting compliance of an order passed by this court in its jurisdiction. So, the contempt proceeding is dropped with the aforesaid observation. Stop. Attendance of so and so.
It's all four cases not in a part of similar, no? Yeah, there are 4 cases not. In para 3 of my so-called, I've given the appeal numbers that can be verified.
All the 4 cases.
Item number 8.
Item number 8, may I please your lordship, sir. When non-compliance of order dated 19/2/20, order dated 3/2/2023, the date on which the order passed with the honorable single.
Which order?
Order minutes, 27 minutes. Last paragraph. This is the order passed with the honorable division bench in writ appeal confirming the order passed with the honorable single judge minutes. Last paragraph minutes.
601.
May I permit to read, madam?
Yes.
It is further directed that the respondent Nayan Chandra Mahapatra shall be paid his actual emoluments for the said period along with benefit like increment and salary shall
Yes,
be.
who is for the other side?
My lord, I am appearing for this contender, my lord.
Yes.
Here is the case, last occasion I took time, already till 2012 we have paid. But according to this, in the time of passing the order bound before the honorable single judge, my lord has passed the order to his return in 2017. He has returned in 2012. So till 2012 we already been paid. In this regard, we will file the affidavit. I also sought for all the instructions, they are providing the same. In the meanwhile, we will file a writ appeal and it is pending also. IA has been filed, this IA for modification is also pending. Now, so we keep it to after 2 weeks, then I will, there is IA number is 9037/2023.
According to you, he retired in 2012.
12, my lord.
He then
2000
retired.
2011 minutes.
2011.
2011
Yes.
minutes.
But come to the
And
order.
till that date, we have paid
Just a
everything.
minute, just a minute.
The operative person.
A respondent, who is the respondent in this case? This is appeal.
Yes, minutes.
So come to the last paragraph of the order, which you are showing.
Yes, minutes. Page number 27 minutes.
Page number 27.
Last paragraph. Minutes.
So last page number, it is further directed. Since the respondent stated to have retired from service in the month of March 2007.
March 2007.
This is incorrect.
This is incorrect minutes. Since 2011 minutes.
So you retired then?
Then his pensional benefits shall be revised and we fix accordingly. The areas of differential salary and pensional benefit will
This
take
will have
after.
to be corrected.
No, they have filed an IMLS. To that effect, they have filed an
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, it is not 12, it is 7/7/2010.
Please wait.
I'm sorry.
Please wait, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And they have filed an application for modification of that order from 2017 and incorporating instead of 2017 to 2010 minutes. So that application is pending till date minutes.
So then there is no contempt. We can, where is that? Where is that application?
They have filed minutes. They not certainly copy of that application also.
This matter along with WA number?
Minutes, appeal number minutes.
601 of 2021.
601 of 2021 minutes.
Along with this disposed of on so and so, in which an application for making an application has been filed for correction of a typographical error in the order dated
3/2/2023.
and reports order dated 3/2/2023, violation of which has been alleged in the written contempt application. The next Friday. This matter on next Friday. Yes.
Item 9.
A bench has to be, I have also filed an application for memo. I have filed a memo for taking this for constitutional bench minutes. In this matter minutes, in the writ appeal, Honorable Division Judge, now retired minutes, and with Honorable Justice M.S. Sahu minutes. Honorable Justice M.S. Sahu. Yes.
This.
Great minutes.
Item 9.
Am I please, my lords? The order is page 13, my lord. Order this one, person one direction, personal appearance, and the DO Jagashri, she has released instruction this one for personal appearance. The appeal number 3 released by area goods and submitted pension paper to country account for regional pension. That has not been completed. That my pension was paid. That is at paragraph 6. Only that part is to comply. They have complied with one part. Other part they have to only comply. The completed appeal number 5. Page 13, paragraph 6.
Take steps, they have taken steps.
Yes, they have taken steps, but not till that.
There is no direction.
Yes, yes.
Payment.
Yes, thanks. So, now can see paragraph and fifth line. Also,
So also take step to revise the pension when will be sum up.
So they have taken a, they have sanctioned.
No, the entire exercise will complete within 3 months. And not paid the benefit.
See, the direction is for taking steps.
We will expect 3 months. That is, then
Taking steps within 3 months.
yes.
So before 3 months, they could have taken steps.
Then after when I am they are taking this place.
All right.
And that revise the pension and then they will revise my pay and they will be areas. But suppose second or pension that is still not compliant.
Pension?
Pension with the young man not being compliant till that. That time they are there to let them comply.
I asked him to supply the document. He says that he has already supplied it. He will send it to the officer. That will be done.
Send it to.
It is not with us, it is with the pension sanctioning authority. So they may take some time.
Pension sanctioning authority, who is the pension sanctioning?
That's control of account.
So controller of account general is a party.
Yes, it is fiction.
Someone had appeared.
No, government,
Government, they cannot appear.
government.
No. They are central government.
No, state government. Accountant general.
Huh?
If it is accountant general, it is state government, central government. If it is the control of accounts, it is under the control of state government.
Controller of account.
Yes, control of account.
So the matter is pending with the controller of account.
Friend says that it's pending. You have to get it works. Also grant some time, in the meantime, we can do some.
As jointly requested, place this matter on 4 weeks for the containers to ensure full compliance of this court's order dated 27/4/2023. So it is made clear that the court will take serious view of the matter if in the meanwhile this court's order is not fully compliant with.
Okay.
Please tell them,
Yeah, we'll ensure that it will be done.
these are pensionary benefit matters.
Item 10. Well, on last occasion, after getting their so-called reply, your lordship directed them to file full compliance of the affidavit by clearing all the amount, whatever they have quantified. They have made the part payment, but for the other part, your lordship they have taken time. But now, my lord, that my instruction is they have not yet paid the entire amount.
So I filed a complaint affidavit was on 8th of August. I filed an affidavit on 8th August regarding compliance note. My friend says he has not received it. I'm sorry giving a copy to him. Let my friend go, let me also take it up next week.
It is stated by learned AGA that second compliance affidavit has been filed, a copy of which is made over to learned counsel representing the petitioner. This matter on 1 week.
Item 11.
Lordship, on item 11, counsel for the state was supposed to give instruction in the case.
Supposed to give instruction. Where is the order?
Yes, sir. Here, in fact, the office is the against that order of the single judge, writ appeal was before the minutes. And writ appeal was dismissed on the ground of minutes limitation because the bar by limitation 561 days. And now thereafter, we have decided to prefer in SLP. It was disposed of only in the month of May. So, Lordship may grant me some time only after filing of the SLP, I can appraise the Lordship. Recently, it was
Counsel appearing on behalf of the contemners and submitted that the order violation of which is under challenge in the parent writ application. Violation of which has been alleged in the present application was challenged in an inter-court appeal, which came to be dismissed on the ground of limitation. So the contemners intend to ground of limitation recently. When was that dismissed?
Dismissed on 17th May 2024, your lordship.
17/5/2024.
17/5/2024. The contemners intend to prefer an SLP against this order. So with this matter on 8 weeks.
Resolution item 12.
Item 12, proceed, no instruction in filing in memorandum.
No instruction.
Item 13. Non-comprehensive order dated 19/3/19. Lordship kindly turn to page 9. And the operating person of the order is page 12, my lord. My permit to read, my lord.
Yes.
Considering the innocuous PR, this petition is disposed of with the directions of opposite patent number 3 to dispose of both the petitions within a period of 6 months from the date of production of.
Yes, the representation.
Because I filed a complaint affidavit to us, that complaint affidavit, if you also look at.
My lord, just a minute, my lord, I have to clarify. Thereafter, they sit up for compliance of the order. Now, my lord, what happened in the meantime? At the time of complying the order, disposal of the application, it found that the decretal end of the present petitioner was settled in favor of the other persons by reciting in each case. So, which needs to be cancelled by the sub collector. And the
Mr. Counsel, we are on this order.
yes, my lord.
Whether this order has been violated.
Yes, my lord.
Show from the order.
But it has not been complied. Their so-called affidavit, they said that it is sent to the sub collector for cancellation since 2020. 4 years elapsed. I am the decree holder of the property. I am being deprived of my decree, my lord. Let the sub collector or the consular comply within a stipulated time period.
So what is the order? There is absolutely no order.
My lord, dispose of the case.
They can dispose of the case. Have you disposed of?
Yes, one case has been disposed in 2020. I had filed that affidavit saying that RMC number 217 was to be disposed because his land has been enclosed by somebody else. He wanted that was to dispose of. It's enclosed by private persons. So 4 years back, I had filed that compliance affidavit saying that one case has already been disposed of. The other case he has to dispose of now. I can take it back to instruction if my friend doesn't have any instruction.
And my lord, in the meantime, no income has joined. He has to encourage the party.
Of the contender. What is this? What kind of order is this? What is required to be complied with?
My lord,
Innocuous prayer. What is innocuous prayer? Have you seen the meaning of innocuous prayer? And can there be any definite order passed on the basis of?
no. There was a direction, my lord.
On behalf of the parties, list this matter on 2 weeks.
Item 14.
So I filed a compliance affidavit and therein we have stated that we have complied your worship's order. That affidavit has been already filed.
Which item?
Item 14.
From 14, no one appears. Complied with.
Item
No one-
15.
Just a minute, sir. No one appears on behalf of the petitioner. It is stated on behalf of the contenders that this court's order has been complied with. Disposal of representation.
Look, it has been disposed of since I filed that compliance affidavit since 2006.
No representation, it was disposal of representation in as much as the petitioner's representation has been disposed of. Stop. The contempt proceeding is stopped accordingly. Yes.
Item 15.
Same order.
Item 16.
Same order.
Item number 17.
May it please your lordship. So non-compliance of the order dated 26/7/2019, that is under annexure 1 at page 11, Mr. Lordship. This direction is threefold. The first two part has been complied with, the so-called affidavit and file. Part part has not been complied with. The last date when it was listed, when Lanissan appearing for the state is filed that whether any statutory appeal has been preferred by the encroachers or not, that has to be.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I filed that affidavit on 20th of March.
Please find out where adjourning. I'm adjourning the matter. On the third only. All right. As jointly requested, list this matter on 2 weeks. Yes.
Item 18.
18 and permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw.
Item 19.
Well, it's item number 19, no instructions, my lord.
No instructions.
Item 20.
Order complied with. Order.
Confidence affidavit filed.
Yes,
Item number 20.
20 order has been completed of.
non-appears, compared with
Item 21.
same order.
It's an interim order now.
Item 22. May I please, Your Lordship. The petitioner filed this contempt application for non-compliance of the order
21. 21.
22, my lord.
So the WPC number be placed before. It will be declared such a interesting.
Item 22, Your Lordship.
Non-compliance order dated 17/12/2019, my lord.
So they have complied with.
Yes, sir.
No, my lord.
The representation has been disclosed.
Copy has not been served, but that has not been complied, my lord, as per my instruction.
What is the order?
My lord, kindly see the order, my lord. In view of the aforesaid limited grievance of the petitioner without expressing opinion in the merit of the case, this court dispose of the writ petition, directing the authority to take decision on the retention dated stated to have been filed by the petition under 2 series and pass appropriate order in accordance with the law within a period of 3 months from the date of production of the certificate of the order.
So whether representation has been disposed of.
Your Lordship, there has not been this, but the eviction, the retention.
Mr. Counsel, whether the representation has been disposed of or not.
No, my lord, that has not been.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It has been disposed of.
The Lordship copy will be sent.
All right. All right. How much time did it take for passing that order? Disposal of representation?
My lord.
How much time it had taken for this 4 months? Court for Mr. Counsel, how much time it had taken for the court to dispose of the writ petition? 1 second.
No, my lord.
And you want contempt proceeding to continue for half an hour?
No.
Complied with liberty, you can challenge that.
Your Lordship, the government has taken instruction, Your Lordship, regarding another suit is pending, but the suit has been already
Mr.
dismissed.
Counsel, there is no order. We cannot go into such disputes, such facts.
Your Lordship,
You can challenge that order.
Your Lordship,
Decision has been taken, now you can challenge that.
23.
okay.
Petitioner representation has been disposed of on 20th of September 2020. Since
Yeah.
one year.
Non-appears.
Item 24.
24 already complied. Complied with.
Item 25.
Windows are
Yeah, 25, no instruction, your lordship person.
Yes, madam?
No instruction. Your lordship
No
person.
instructions. No
Item
instructions.
26.
Non-appears.
27.
Non-appears.
Item 28.
Complied with one, I thought. No one appears. It's
Here is your Lordship. Lordship, writ appeal is pending in this matter, Lordship. In the item number 28, Lordship.
But the case was writ appeal is pending. But
It is stated that an court appeal is pending against this court's order violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application. First off, in such view of the matter, no case of intentional disobedience of this court's order is made out. The contempt proceeding is dropped.
Careful, man.
Item 29.
Then.
Item 30. 31.
For item 31, on behalf of Vivekananda Vijayana, I taken next week. The council is out of station, my lord. I taken next week.
Madam, please say it again.
On behalf of Vivekananda Vijayana, kindly taken it next week as the council is out of station.
The order has been complied with, madam.
I have no instruction as he requested me to take time.
Right. Next week.
Obliged.
All right.
Obliged.
32.
Lordship, the order has been already complied.
Complied.
Item 33.
Already complied.
Complied with.
Item 34.
Certificate not placed.
Not first.
5.
Permitted to withdraw.
Item number 36.
36 and 37 are complied. If I allowed permit also file a complex affidavit, my lord.
If it has been complied with,
But the direction was given to dispose of the representation. That has been already disposed of and
Disposal. You are for the contender?
I am for the NHA, my lord.
No one appears. And so states that the order has been completed.
Both fully. 37 or 38 section was.
Lordship,
Item
38 to 43 are based on Sarat Chandra Pradhan's case, Your Lordship. Returns have been filed in these matters.
37,
38 to 43, Your Lordship.
38 to 43. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioners. It has been stated that this court's order violation of which has been raised in the present contempt application is subject matter of challenge before in inter-court appeals. Stop. In such view of the matter, the contempt proceeding stands stop. In such view of the matter, no case of intentional disobedience of this court's order is made out. The contempt proceeding is dropped. Yes.
Item 38 to 43.
38.
Item 44. Already complied, my lord.
Complied.
45.
Appears.
Item 46.
Appears.
Item number 47.
ये compliance वाला है ना सारा?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Item 47.
Appears.
Item 48. My lord, not pressed.
Not pressed.
Item 49.
Similar.
Item 50.
Similar.
51. Item number 52. Sorry.
2019.
Whether it has been complied with or not?
Not complied, my lord. Not complied, my lord.
Page the order.
Page 11, my lord.
Your Lordship, the writ appeal has been filed in this matter, Your Lordship, writ appeal number 430 of 2020.
So writ appeal has been filed, sir. Yes.
Item 52.
On the page.
53.
Complied.
Item 54.
On the page.
55.
Same order.
Item number 56. 57.
Same.
Item 58. 59.
Same.
Item number 60. Item 61.
Same.
60.
62, my lord, on behalf of the contracting council, my lord. Is not contracting council is not well, my lord. The matter may be taken up next week, my lord. Oh, yes.
As requested.
Item 63.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the matter 63 and 67 have become infructuous
63 and 67.
until 67.
Until 67. Why are you panting?
I came running from the new building, Your Lordship. Petitioners have been subsequently regularized, so no cause of action. Your Lordship.
That's complied. 63 to 67. Admittedly, the council appearing on behalf of the petitioner states that this court's order violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application has been complied with. Yes.
Item number 68.
Come on. No one appears.
Item 69. Item 70.
Already complied. Complied with the council states that the court's order has been complied with.
Item 71.
No one appears.
72. Item number 73.
Right. 74.
74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. 127. 128. 129. 130. 131. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. 141. 142. 143. 144. 145. 146. 147. 148. 149. 150. 151. 152. 153. 154. 155. 156. 157. 158. 159. 160. 161. 162. 163. 164. 165. 166. 167. 168. 169. 170. 171. 172.
No, the order dated 6/1/2021 has not been complied with. I've quoted the order at page 3 of my petition. There is a direction to the Worcester Municipal Corporation Commissioner to consider my grievance on the basis of a representation to be filed by me. I filed the representation after the disposal of by this honorable court. And it
No,
was-
what is the order?
order is page 3, my lord. To consider.
So they have not considered.
My information is that they have not done.
If representation is filed,
Yes,
by the time prescribed, the same shall be disposed of in accordance with law.
and this representation
Has
filed.
been disposed of. This is what he is saying.
Instruction from the Municipal Municipal Corporation. 5/10/2021.
Give him a copy. I'll give you liberty to question if that is against
So
you.
I'll question that, provided they give me a copy of this.
Give him a copy right now.
Right now.
He is stated by AGA that this court's order violation.
In fact, this is the commissioner of BMC, so I.
It has been informed, it was just, we are just recording.
I cannot answer.
Complied with in as much as an order has been passed by municipal corporation on the petitioner's representation. So a copy of the said said order is being.
Lord, he is appearing for the.
Apologies for being delayed.
Copy of the said order has been served upon and also for the petitioner.
Give me a copy that.
So, proceeding is dropped accordingly with liberty to the petitioner to question the correctness of the order which has been passed on the petitioner's representation before appropriate authorities / forum according with law. Yes.
Item 75. No instruction. No instruction.
No instructions.
76.
No appears.
77.
No appears.
78.
No appears.
Item 79. Item number 80.
Yes.
81.
Complied with.
Item number 82.
No appears.
Item 83.
No appears.
Item 84.
No appears.
Item 85.
No appears.
86.
It's a third contempt, my lord. This is third contempt,
Third. Whether it has been complied with or not.
not compliant by.
Where is the order?
Pardon, my lord, lordship kindly see. Under I'm quoted in page 3, my lord. 17/12/2019, my lord.
Read appeal number 289 of 2020 is pending.
No, read appeal has been filed. Read appeal
289 of 2020.
289 of 2020.
20.
87.
Oh, my lord.
May I please lordship?
Order dated 11/1/2021 is pending, is not complied with, my lord. The direction is given to appeal number 3 to take a decision on the representation. Within a period of 2 months.
Must have, they have taken decision.
Yes.
All such representations have been disposed of, have been listed today.
10/4/2024 that are. I'll give you that.
And then council must petitioner and then AGA for the contenders. And council, appearing on behalf of the contenders, informs that sports order violation of which has been alleged has been complied with, and the petitioner's representation has been disposed of. Such way of the matters. Contempt proceeding stands strong. Yes. For a minute. You have to follow.
Item 88.
May I please, your lordship?
Our content.
Heard.
My lord, third contempt, your lordship, annexure one is the impugned order. Only 6 months time was given to comply the order. Landless.
So whether the order has been complied with or not.
No, orders have not been complied and your lordship will see page 40.
Let us see the order.
My lord.
Where is the order?
Order is your lordship page 8, dated 15/1/2018. My application direction was given to the Tahsildar Baram to dispose of this same within a period of 6 months.
So dispose of the application. Whether application has been disposed of or not.
No, not yet. Your lordship then.
Yes.
One more line.
Just a minute. There is absolutely C. Without going into the merits of the case.
My lord, I follow your lordship. That is. But your lordship, here you have the case.
Just a minute. Whether, yes, Mr. Okay.
Well, that is said that representation has not been disposed of. Let's not call this matter because.
Next week.
Yes. Your lordship.
Next week. This is what you. Sir, what is your name? That officer who has come from the department.
Mr. Simpson.
Mr. Sir, just see the orders which have not been complied with and ensure that by the next date, such cases, the orders are complied with. So this is the reason why you are here. So this is of 2018. This contempt, this is third contempt. Until date, according to him, the order has not been complied with.
What? Because your lordship by this way, your lordship will see in annex of C. Court has passed order that so much of contempt proceeding will be initiated. If order is not implied.
Mr. When this order was not complied with, at the first instance, the proceeding ought to have been initiated. So that was not done. You were made to file second contempt application. And then you are filing third contempt application. Where is the requirement of filing first, second, third? So whatever has to be done should be done in the first contempt proceeding itself.
I could follow your lordship, but I will not be misunderstood by this way. Other contemptors are getting free hands to violate the order of this.
Yes, yes, you are right.
I have 35 years of practice.
You appear to be young, but good that you have 35 years of practice.
No, the way your lordship, they are not at all showing respect to the order of this court. Our contempt, there is so much of contempt proceedings.
Sir, counsel, they are not showing because we are liberal.
I could realize.
All right.
Here in this case was, may I say one thing? His case has been considered. He had prayed for settlement of the land in his favor as a landless person. That has been rejected by the Tahsildar. But that has not been communicated to him. That's why we are not.
All right.
Yes,
he's saying
that it has been complied with. That is intimated. Communicate to our office instead of sending to thief. So.
Next. You are right. Your concern is genuine.
Minor.
That if there is an order, it should be complied with. If the first contempt is filed, we will see.
Item number 89.
Then complied.
Complied. In your cases, the government is very prompt. Why? Do you exercise some influence? Huh?
No, these are the Saptapada matters that.
Item 90.
Yes.
Order complied.
Complied with.
Item 91.
Complied.
92.
Non appears.
92 complied.
Item 93.
Complied.
Item 94.
Complied.
95.
Non appears. Has been stated that this court order has been complied.
Item number 95.
95, my lord, complied.
Complied. Non appears.
Item 96.
96, there are two matters. In
Yeah.
both the matter, writ appeals are pending.
Writ appeals.
Item number 97.
97, my lord, Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation.
ले लोगे order में? हाँ? Yes, 90.
97, Bhubaneswar Municipal. They have their own set of councils.
No one appears. Application is for 2 minutes.
98.
One appears.
Item 99.
One appears.
Item number 100.
One appears.
100, my lord, complied.
Complied with.
101,
On appears.
101 also, my lord, complied with.
102,
102 also complied, my lord.
Complied with.
103,
On appears.
103 complied, my lord.
Complied with.
item 104,
104 also complied with.
item number 105,
Complied.
105 also complied, my lord.
On appears complied.
item 106,
106 and 107 both are Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, so.
Whether no one appears, this is for default.
item 108,
108 also, my lord, complied with.
No one appears, complied with.
The memo is there for withdrawal in this content.
Withdraw. More withdraw. Dominant dwelling.
109,
For withdrawal.
Your Lordship, 109 and 110 have been complied.
Complied.
Both memo are there.
Withdraw. The today was not adjudicatory proceeding, it was just disposal of necessary matters. I'm not happy with this.
No.